Look at it. Yes! Woo! There we are, just outside St Austell Mountain, look. Way down in Cornwall. There's my breakout, all packed and ready to go. With my Pro APOC hat. Oh yeah! And we're going to Plymouth Harley-Davidson, and then I'm going back up to Derbyshire. Let's do it! It's when you ride too many deep. So the services give you your own parking bay.
Gentlemen and ladies, start your engines! Yeah!
There's all the boys and the girls following me. Good turnout. We're off to Plymouth Harley-Davidson. Right then, where's the bear is? That way around. If you're new to this channel, then this is the Macca map. There's Cornwall. And there's the bottom end of the UK. So today, or in this video I should say, we are starting down here at St Austell. Up to Cornwall services, across the A38, I think. Over Saltash, and round here, that's where the tunnel is. Oh yeah, the Tunnel of Love. And we're going to hit Plymouth Harley-Davidson, which is off the map somewhere, but it's round here somewhere. See what sales we've got, it's their dealer day, which means 90 quid shirts are probably about £83. Yay! All the 7 quid off shit. Anyway, I don't know whether they're not doing fucking deals on the goddamn bikes, bitches. I'm joking, man, I'm joking. Oh, I'm doing 70. Round the merry-go-round. Let's just see if I can get a glimpse of the posse. Walking out, walking out. Awesome, awesome. Ice cream, man. Give me an ice cream. Look at us. Oh, right round Ireland. Hey. Once we've done Plymouth Harley-Davidson, I'm on the road to Derbyshire. So I'm going to be leaving Plymouth and heading all the way up the M5 onto the M42, the A42, and then where's Derbyshire? Up here somewhere. I'm going home, you! I'm going home! Oh my god, look at him! Yeah. Beautiful weather. Good view too, look. We're nearly there, nearly at Route 38 for the rest of the Harleys. Yeah, I forgot what make of bike they were then. There's the checkered flag. Get in you. Here we come to the Route 38. Let's indicate ride. There's all the boys and the girls. Dude. We're pulling in here. There's all the guys, look. Blum, blum, blum. Yeah. It's got a tailback, isn't it, look? That's not a Harley. You bad boy. There's Neil. Came to Wales on us. With us. There's Paul over there with the ape out, which we're going to see in a minute. Look at that beauty. That's an iron horse, that is. Look at that view. I never actually stopped at Route 38 to admire the view. Yeah, and look at that blinkage. Bling, 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 bling. Some more bling, 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 bling. I'm gonna get run over. That there is the bruised banana. There's Dan, main man. Look at that view. What a machine. Just stroke your tank. There, look, yeah, that's it, that's it. It's chuffing clean, man. We're slowly getting there. It's going to look mint by the time we're done. What the fuck? Is that a weapon?
Eagles are on. I don't think.
Yeah. Well, at least it's cleaner. Just got to go sort them out now.
We'll take it at a time.
We'll get them done. Oh, here you go. First time on camera, I think. The ape out. What a McBute. Come out where you brute.
Hello, dude.
Oh, dude. Just getting the ape out on. The ape out.
Nice and polished as well, mate.
Yeah? What'd you polish it with? Don't tell me that, I'm on camera.
Camel's turds.
Camel's turd? What the fuck? Polished it with camel turd.
Yeah.
Beauty.
You can see the shine on it now.
Yeah, it's lovely.
There's a proper wax on it.
Yeah.
He's given me another one, a little tin about this big. It's £8.
Fucking hell.
And he said do it with that as well. If you watch him doing it, he goes like this. He said never go like this.
Wax on,
Pick up grip.
wax off.
But always straight lines.
Yeah. But this is an operation. Stuart's going to block one way. I'm going to block the other. The man on the A-part's leading. That's it. Are we all ready? Let's go. Brum brum. There's your Wild Southwest posse. We don't fuck about. Go, go, go. And we're off. Here we come to the tunnel. There's my dude, down the man. Oh, this is where it gets loud. Oh, look at it. Yes! Woo! Nice! And we're up! Hey! That's what we're talking about. Over the Tamar Bridge, baby! It's a bloody good day. It's a good day. Beginning of October, but well, it's the last few days of September, but well, there we are. We already had our end of season bash in September, but we had it on the equinox where summer becomes autumn, so it's kind of end of season, you know.
Oh, man's here. They're on.
Hey, now we're in Plymouth. Let's do it. Oh, can we get? He's going to let us through all in one go. Go on, lad. Don't put barrier down on us. Let us all through. Oh yeah. I need to change my pants. Don't nobody bump anybody. Take it steady. Here we come. La, 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 la. Oh, the A-part right to the front. Oh yeah. Here we come, Harley-Davidson. Have it. Yeah. Here we go. Hooray. Tailing right back, look, because we are massive. Woo. Here we go, look. There's Harley-Davidson. And a bit of Triumph. Yeah, can't forget Triumph. Do. Come on then, get us in the car park where we can't park because people have come to a motorbike dealership on dealer day in cars. Yeah. Blah blah blah. Yeah, take it right back, dude. Take it right back. Let's rack them all. Where do I park, baby? There's a fucking ambulance. The chuff. I might do. It's all good fun. Fuck it, dump it here.
Beep beep. Woo! I do.
That was a noise going through that bridge.
Fucking yeah. Sounded good at back. I got it all coming down at me. Ah! Oh, right. It's time to leave Harley-Davidson and hit the road. Hit the motorway. Beep, 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 beep. Come on, you slag. I need a lighter bike, it's too heavy. See you later. See ya. Blah blah. Come on, Dan. Dan's escorting me out of the county. Let's go. The trusty M5. Here we go, people. It's on the A38. Bloody hell. The chuff. Now then, if you've been following my channel for a while, Exeter services. Yep. Pinno. Where all the hoes are at. Where all the hoes are at. That's a regular location on this channel. But today, yep, we ain't coming, bitch. Keep going, Dad. Keep going. Main man's off. Go on, dude. Thanks for the escort. Now I've got another 2 hours to go. Ah! Woo! Oh, I need a slash. Oh, I need to go in there. Where's the toilet? Yeah, fucker. Oh, you penal wart. I killed you. You're dead. Right, last fuel stop, then it's home. But I've just got to show you this. £1.51.9 a litre. You can suck my fucking exhaust. Shit a brick. Well, fucking trowel services could suck my unit. Back onto the M1. Home stretch and it's fucking pitch black. Oh my god. And it's cold as shit. Oh, I'm nearly home. Yeah. If you're watching this, it means I got home. So yeah, thanks for watching to the end. Cheers, dudes!